welcome back. There's gonna be some background noise in today's episode, so I apologize for that. But today we're making pancakes. So I have a bowl of flour. I'm not really like measuring it. I'm just winging it, so hopefully this works. But I've made them a bunch of times, so it should work. Alright, and without further ado, let's get right into the video. So, like I said, I put some flour in here already. Now I'm just mixing it up so I can like get rid of all the chunks. So that's good enough. I mean, I'm sure the milk will get rid of it. And so I'm just gonna pour some milk. I don't really know like how much milk I'm pouring, so there's really no way for me to make specific measurements. Well, there is, but I don't want to. So just pour like that amount of milk. That was the rest of the milk for me. So yeah. And I'm not putting it in any specific order, so yeah. I'm just gonna have to eyeball it, I guess. I think I'm supposed to put the dry stuff first and then put the milk, but I didn't do that. So yeah, just gonna keep mixing. Oop, the camera's a bit wobbly. I don't know why it's doing that. Alright, and I'll come back when it's all mixed in. See you soon. So for the most part, it's mixed in, but there's like some flour all around, and also it's more of a dough consistency, and it's supposed to be more liquid, so I'm adding some more milk. I just put in almond milk. Almond milk was pretty good. And I don't know how to stop the camera from shaking. I'm sorry, guys. But I guess this is just how it's gonna be. I don't know. I have no idea what's going on. But yeah, I'll come back when this is all mixed in. So now it's the right consistency. I used the handheld whisk to mix it up because it was just easier. And I'm gonna put in some eggs. So just crack it. And there's one egg. Now another. And now I'm just gonna whisk it. So I'll speed it up so I can spare you guys the details. So now it's time to add some sugar. So I don't know the like measurement of it, but this is how much sugar I'm putting in. So if you guys know, like, I guess if you're actually using this tutorial, you could just eyeball it. So I'm just gonna sprinkle it around, and I'll whisk it once again. I won't speed it up this time because it's not gonna take long. So now the sugar should be all mixed in, and then it's time for the next step. So I melted some butter on the pan, and now I'm just gonna just spread it out. And just wait. So I guess we'll just wait for it to fry. I'll see you guys when it's ready. So I decided, hold on, let me just like fix the camera real quick. Okay, good enough. So this is one of the pancakes I made. So I'm gonna try it. I hope it tastes good. I'm just gonna pick at it cause why not? All right, that's really good. I really like it. It's not too sweet, but it's not like bland either. But anyways, guys, that was making pancakes. I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what kind of things you want to see us make in the future. Bye for now.